Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'm going to show you how you can use GIF on your Instagram story. Alright guys, here I have already opened my Instagram application, and now let's just create the story first. So I'm tapping on your story right here to start creating the story. And for example, I'm just going to upload a photo from my gallery to be posted as my story, and I'm going to add this photo. Okay, then if we want to add GIF to our story, we can simply click on the sticker button, guys, this one. Then there will be some options for you, and you're going to select the GIF since we want to add GIF. Okay, and select the GIF that you like, and for example, I'm going to select this one. Just tap on the GIF, then we can place the GIF to the part of the story that we want. So for example, I'm going to place the GIF right here, and we can also zoom in or zoom out. Okay, once you're done, you can tap on your story right here to post your Instagram story. Alright guys, and that's how we can use GIF on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next tutorial.